I am Binet. Today we are going to study about basicity of aromatic amines. Aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines than ammonia. Let us check this by taking aniline as an example of aromatic amine. Aniline is an aromatic amine less basic than aliphatic amines. The causes of this law of basicity are its resonance plus some effect at the NH2 group. Now we can check this. This is the resonance structure of aniline. Due to the electron delocalization at the nitrogen lone pair over the aromatic ring, it is less readily available for protonation as compared to that in NH3 or aliphatic amine. The small positive charge on nitrogen repelled the proton hence aniline and other aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia or aliphatic amines. The anilinium ion is not as stabilized through resonance as aniline, which has 5 resonance structure. Effect of substituents on the basicity of aromatic amines. Effect of substitute on the nitrogen atom. The electron donating inductive effect of the substituents increase the electron density on the nitrogen atom, thereby increasing the electron donor capability of the amine. Basicity increasing in the order aniline greater than N-methyl aniline greater than N dimethyl aniline. Substitution of the hydrogen atom of the NH2 groups of aniline by electron withdrawing groups on the order hands cause a decrease in the basicity because the electron withdrawing inductive effect of the substituents decreasing the electron density on the nitrogen atom, thereby decreasing the electron donor capability of the amine. Basicity decreasing order is aniline less than diphenylamine less than triphenylamine. Effect of nuclear substituents. The basic strength of aromatic amines depends on the nature of substituents present in benzene ring in addition to the NH2 group. Nuclear substituent anilines, remember, the higher the pKb, the lower the basic character of the amine. The value of some nuclear substituent anilines are given in the table. In general, electron donating groups such as CH3, OCH3, OH and NH2 when present as a nuclear substituent, increasing the basic strength of the aromatic amine. Electron withdrawing groups such as NO2, CN, COH and Cl when present as a nuclear substituent, decreasing the basic strength of the aromatic amine. Next, ortho effect. An ortho substitute aniline is a weaker base than aniline irrespective of the electron donating or electron withdrawing nature of the substitute group. This is known as the ortho effect. The base strengthening effect of an electron donating group. Electron donating group and the base weakening effect of an electron withdrawing group are more marked when the substituent is at the para position than when they present at the meta position. One of the examples is P-anisodine is more basic than M-anisodine. The OCH3 group has electron donating mesomeric effect but electron withdrawing inductive effect. When such a group is present at the P position, the plus M effect outweighs the I effect, cause the overall effect to be electron donating. Consider the resonance structure of P-anisodine shown below. It can be seen that the resonance structure carries the negative charge on the carbon to which the NH2 group is attached. The causes in an increase in the electron density on the nitrogen atom and the subsequent increasing in the basicity of the amine. Such a situation does not arise in the case of the resonance structure of M-aniside. This is the evidence from the resonance structure of M-anisodine shown below. P-anisodine is more basic than M-anisodine. The base strengthening effect of an electron donating group is more marked when it is at the para position than when present at the meta position. Similarly, P-nitroaniline is less basic than M-nitroaniline. P-nitroaniline is less basic than M-nitroaniline. The base weakening effect of an electron withdrawing group is more marked when it is at the para position than when present at the meta position. Thank you all.